frame itself, the spacers are aluminum. It has a double tooling arm design. You can actually put your tooling arm with its attachment in either one of these to suit a height change if you so desire. And instead of having the tip of this bolt digging in to an aluminum tooling arm, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. This is the reason why I didn't like aluminum tooling arms. And this is a fairly new one that's only about a year old, and you can see how it's already digging into the aluminum. With this tab, that eliminates that. I honestly have unbolted and looked at the tracking mechanism in this. It's a fairly simple design, but this is absolutely the best tracking mechanism I have ever seen on a grinder. I've seen some others that are somewhat similar, and I'm not going to go into tearing it apart and showing it to you, but suffice to say, this is without a doubt the smoothest and best tracking that I've ever seen on a grinder. The other thing is it has the ratchet tensioning built into the machine. So it's a little hard for me to get used to. I'm used to working with the spring where I have to press out, pull down, tighten. Well, this, you just leave the tooling arm where it is and you can push it to wherever you want within the limits of the ratchet system. The other thing that's really cool about this machine is it's a vertical or horizontal machine. Most people are going to end up using this with some kind of a wheel attachment, whether it be a small wheel, big wheel, whatever. But again, this tab is just the cat's meow, man. You don't have to worry about jamming up any kind of tooling arms, making them bad. And this is one of my heavy grit or heavy 50 grit belts. Get everything adjusted where it needs to be here. So you can tell I'm still new to the machine. But again, what's so cool about this machine, once you get this tooling arm pulled, all you got to do is just tighten here, and then it's a push for the ratchet, and you're done. Turn some power onto it. And watch this real close on the belt right here. Look how well this machine tracks. I mean, it's like nobody's business. It's just a great tracking machine. And if you want to grind, like I said, the other direction, horizontally, I mean, it's a freaking awesome machine, man. Proof's in the pudding, man. 20-plus-year-old Beaumont KMG, brand new KMG-TX. They're both winning machines. So anyway, that's Ed Caffrey's take on the KMG and particularly the TX machine. Fantastic machine, fantastic people, and fantastic service. So if you're looking for a grinder, yeah, some of you are going to jump and go, ow, that's a little expensive. But you've got the option. You can either spend big bucks on this machine and get the tilt, or you can spend it on their base machine, a little less money, and really have something that'll last you forever.